Hello friends, you are most welcome in our channel Learn Physics with K Principle. Today, what we are going to study? Today we are going to study a class 7, chapter 6, physical and chemical changes. This is the part 2 of the chapter. In this part, we are going to study what is a physical change, but first we will study some examples that how can be a physical change. Cut a piece of paper in 4 square pieces. Now you take a paper and cut it in 4 square pieces and cut each square, that a piece of square. Take a piece of square from that paper and then cut it further. Okay, now lay these pieces on the floor or a table so that the pieces acquire the shape of the original piece of paper. Can you do this? No, it is very difficult to get the original piece of paper. Now hold a used hacksaw blade with a pair of tongs. Keep the tip of the free end of the blade on the gas stove. Wait for a few minutes. Now as you will keep it, you will see that it is red. As you will keep it in the gas stove, you will see that it is red. One more example is there, that water. Now water is there is an ice cube. It melted and turned into water and then evaporated and turned into water vapor, and then condensed, turned into water, and then freezed and then turned into ice. So what are these changes? This is a change. From black hacksaw blade, what happened? It turned into red. So this is a change. Okay, now in the above example, in the previous slide example, what we studied? We studied that cutting a piece of paper, it is also a change. Okay, now both are a change, and this third one is also a change. Third one, which I told you, that water one, is also a change. Now what is a physical change? Now we are going to study what is a physical change, what physical change really means. Physical changes are changes affecting the form of a chemical appearance but not the chemical composition. What does this mean? This means that a change in which the chemical appearance, like the black hacksaw blade turned into red, so chemical appearance, its appearance is changed but not chemical composition, but it is now still made up of metal. Okay, it is now still made up of metal, so its chemical composition is not changed but its chemical appearance can change. Okay, now what is there? Chemical composition. Properties such as shape, size, color and state of a substance can change in physical change. Now these properties like shape, size, color and state of substance can change in physical change. In appearance all things come, but I am telling you more, that shape, size, color and state of substance, all these can change in physical change because these are the physical properties. A physical change is generally reversible. In such a change, no new substance is formed. Now physical change is generally reversible, like folding of clothes. Folding of clothes is a change but it is reversible. It is a physical change. Now these changes are reversible. Some generally physical changes are reversible. All physical changes are not reversible. Okay, now in such a change, in physical change, no new substance is formed. Okay, I said this only in the above slide, that chemical composition can't be changed in a physical change. So no new substance is formed and chemical composition doesn't change, is same. Okay, now many people confuse in the ice. In the ice, many people confuse how the ice turns into water. Water turns into vapor. This is a chemical change or physical change. What is a chemical change? We will study in the next video. But it is a chemical change or a physical change. In this, many people are confused. So I am telling you it is a physical change because it changes the state of substance. Okay, the state of substance. What this really mean? Okay, I am telling you. See, this is the ice. Okay, it turned into water. Okay, it turned into water vapor. Okay, and then it turned into water, and then it turned into solid. Solid means ice. Okay, it has turned into these state of substance. It is a state of substance. Okay, now we have done this. So what is happening in water? Also its formula is H2O, as I have told you in the neutralization. In the previous chapter, in the neutralization, I have told you that the water formula is H2O and you should know. Okay, so water formula is H2O in water also, when it is simple water also. In ice also its formula is H2O. This is very simple to understand, or I will tell you it in different way. In ice also its formula is H2O, and in vapor also its formula is H2O. And I will tell you one more thing. From water only these all things are being made. From water only this is made, water. Okay, from water only water vapor is made. Nothing is there, no? Nothing is adding in it and it is being made a different thing. Okay, so in water, when it is in water vapor, then also it is the same. When it turns into solid, then also it is the same. And when it is in the normal form, it is neither freezed nor evaporated, then also it is in the same form. So its chemical composition isn't changed, but its chemical appearance is changed. This you know. This you should remember, that a physical change is a change in which chemical appearance is changed, but not the chemical composition. It's now the water chemical composition is not changed, but the water appearance is changing. Now we have studied the physical change. In the next video we will study what is a chemical change. And with this, this part is completed.